Hi there, I just wanted to make a quick overview video showing some of the differences between version 1 and version 2 and how we've made some nice updates and highlight some of the bigger features. So we're going to start on the front end where the customers see, and then we'll see all the nitty-gritty on the back end where the really big fun changes have happened. In the front end, there's a couple of things that you'll notice. One is, if you so desire, you can use differential pricing for different types of customers, and you can set this to be anything you want. So it could be churches, schools, parks, residential, commercial, anything you want. I'm going to go ahead and say residential here. And now when I click into any of these categories, it'll show me the pricing just for the category that I've selected. Now, when you look here, you'll see that this looks very much like the version 1 where we have the price on the thumbnail. We've added some editable text up here, so this is better for search engine optimization. And when you click into an item, you can place an order there. This is also editable text now, so you can add extra pictures and videos right in here. Another thing that you can do is, let me go back. If you want to do a search for a particular keyword, your customers can do it and so can you. Let's say we want to look for anything with the word sponge in it. Of course, we're looking for SpongeBob in this case, but we don't have to type the whole thing. And there's multiple categories. We got one out of our combos, we got a costume out of the costume category, and we have a regular jump out of deluxe bounces. So this is a cross-category search that's working now. We have this new cart layout. And one more thing that you may notice is certain categories can have different layouts. So where we just looked at the deluxe bounce houses and saw the thumbnails just like in version 1, if I go into a category that maybe doesn't have as many items, I have an alternate layout that saves a click. There is no thumbnail to click on. I can go straight into the laser tag booking without going to the individual thumbnails. And you can choose that by category now as you see fit. And the last thing to check out is, you'll notice if you've been watching up here in the URL area, you'll see that all of the links are now very clean. So it's just funtasticjumps.com/frequently, and then it uses an underscore asked questions. So that is automatically replacing the %20 or any other symbols that you might see in HTML that goes up there. So we have editable content areas in the category level and on the item level now. That's better for SEO, and better links up here, and a search. All of those are good SEO improvements that you can see for your customers. So now let's go to the back end, and this is very different back here. This is a new overview layout, and we've got other videos covering all the specifics, but right off the bat you'll see that we have a color-coded calendar here. This is how many items are going out and coming back the same day. A red item is a pickup only, so you don't forget to do the pickup that happened from the night before. And if you see a blue one, that means that it's out over multiple days. It's snowing outside, so this particular company has slowed down immensely. Here we go. If we go into a particular day, you can now get an overview for the day, or go directly into booking an event at that point, which saves a click and makes things go a little faster. We also have user permission levels that can hide all financials from certain users if you so desire. We can hide all the reports, and this is customizable throughout the entire system now. And quite a few other little features. Let me just go through a quick overview. Let's say that you have an 8 to 7 as your normal business hours, but your customer says, I want to book something at a different time. You can expand the time selector now and book anytime you want. And that is just from the back end. Once again, I'll go ahead and select residential. You may notice that I've got multiple quotes up here. That means I'm working on more than one order at a time. You can keep that open and it'll keep them all straight for you. Quick order is in there just like in version 1. However, Quick Order in version 2 has a little nicer layout, so I can select multiple things in here and add them to the cart all at once. We also have line item pricing now, so if I want to change the price from $300 to say $250 while I'm on the fly, I can do that. No coupons needed. I can also check what price rules are affecting a particular item by clicking on the calculated price. So we're using a 5 to 10 hour rule that's adding an extra $20 to that price. And let's see what else. So we've got all the suggested add-ons just like before. And let me go through the checkout process because there's just a couple more changes in here. I'm going to do a search for anybody named Rob, and I would imagine I'll find myself pretty easily here. There we go. And we can have a customer status. So now, just like in version 1, there was a good versus bad, but you would have to go back into the system to see what they were in the past. Now, if you flag them as a bad customer, the next time they go to place an order, they're going to get an automated message that says, oh, there's a problem with your account. Please call our office. And if they've been a problem but you want to clear them in the future, you can clear them. And if you want to get a list in the future of all your good customers, you can do that as well by flagging them as a good customer. And you can write the details in here. And moving on, most of this is the same as version 1, where you can have generic reminders or item-specific reminders. All of these fields can be rearranged into any order you wish, and if you want certain fields to be required, you simply write required equals yes. And for example, a second mobile phone could be required. So these can all be set up any way you want, just like in version 1. And here's a new feature that we've added called checklists. And checklists allow you to use these little checkboxes as tags. So it's a way to follow up whether you want to say, was a driver assigned to this event, or was the area scouted, have you sent out party invitations, or you can even flag them as what party hostess is helping them in an indoor facility, or was a party room assigned. There's so many different things that you can do with this. So in the future, if you want to set it up so that you say, this was a female, they ordered a SpongeBob, and their favorite color is purple, you can run a report for all women that picked purple as their favorite color, and then do a specific email campaign just to them. So this is going to be really neat to see how people use this, either for automated follow-ups or for their marketing. And all of that information is in some new reports that we're making called checklists under customer reports. So in this case, was the delivery time confirmed? And the answer is no on all these, so we need to follow up on all these people. So hopefully that gives you a good overview. We've also got a mobile app, that the app is on the way through the store shortly, maybe out by the time you see this. The other thing that we have is a mobile website that auto-detects that they are viewing your site on a mobile device and changes them over to the mobile view, which is more optimized. That's an optional add-on, so if you're interested in that, just give us a call. And if you want to try out version 2 and you're still on version 1, just send us an email or give us a call and we will send you a trial link. It's a free update for all of these features, and I hope you enjoy all the new goodies that we've added in here. And if you want to get notices on the latest advances and updates, just like us down on your homepage, and that'll get you on the first to know list. All right, have a great day and enjoy the new version.